Are you a man over 50? Do you ever feel like you're fighting a battle that no one else can see? You've worked hard your entire life, built a career, and gathered a lifetime of experience. Yet you might feel like you're being pushed aside, overlooked, or made to feel irrelevant in a world that seems obsessed with youth. Let me be clear, you are not alone in this fight. This is a common struggle for millions of men who have reached a certain age and find the rules of the game have suddenly changed. The challenges you face are real, especially in the workplace, and it's time we called them out for what they are. The truth is, life after 50 can present a unique set of obstacles. You've accumulated wisdom, honed your skills, and developed a resilience that can only come from decades of navigating life's ups and downs. You are, in many ways, like a Spartan warrior, seasoned, strong, and prepared for anything. However, the modern battlefield is different. It's not about physical strength alone, it's about navigating subtle biases and overcoming systemic hurdles. The feeling of being undervalued can be frustrating and demoralizing, making you question your worth and your place in your profession. This isn't a personal failing, it's a societal problem we need to confront head-on. Many men in your position report feeling a sense of being left behind. You might notice younger colleagues getting promotions you were more qualified for. You might feel the pressure of rapidly changing technology that your company doesn't bother to train you on. These aren't just isolated incidents. They are symptoms of a larger issue. This quiet struggle can take a toll on your confidence, your financial security, and your mental well-being. It's a silent battle fought in boardrooms, during performance reviews, and in the everyday interactions that make you feel like an outsider in your own career. It's time to stop suffering in silence and start developing a strategy for victory. Let's get real about this. You have every right to feel frustrated, angry, or even a little lost. Acknowledging these feelings is the first step toward taking back control. Your journey is far from over. In fact, this new chapter can be your most powerful one yet. Just like a Spartan, you possess the strength and strategic mind to overcome any challenge. The key is to recognize the battlefield for what it is, and to arm yourself with the right tools and mindset. We're going to break down this problem and equip you with a plan to not just survive, but to thrive in the face of these modern challenges. Let's call this problem by its name, ageism. It's a prejudice against individuals based on their age, and it is a growing and undeniable issue in today's workforce. The statistics don't lie. A recent AARP study found that nearly 2/3 of workers aged 50 and older have seen or experienced age discrimination in the workplace. Think about that. The majority of your peers are facing the same invisible barriers. This isn't just a feeling or a hunch, it's a documented reality. This discrimination often flies under the radar, masked as cultural fit or restructuring, but its impact is just as damaging. The numbers prove that older workers are often the first to be let go and the last to be hired. So what does this ageism look like in your day-to-day life? It's the manager who speaks to you condescendingly, assuming you won't understand the new software. It's being passed over for a leadership role in favor of someone with half your experience but who is perceived as more energetic or innovative. It's the casual jokes about your age in meetings or the assumption that you are coasting toward retirement and no longer ambitious. These are not harmless comments, they are microaggressions that chip away at your professional identity and create a hostile work environment where you feel constantly judged not by your performance but by your birth date. This constant pressure has a profound impact that goes far beyond your career trajectory. It affects your mental health, leading to stress, anxiety, and a loss of self-esteem. When your contributions are consistently ignored, it's easy to start internalizing that negativity and questioning your own abilities. This can spill over into your personal life, affecting your relationships and your overall sense of purpose. Financially, the consequences can be devastating. An unexpected job loss or a stalled career can jeopardize your retirement plans and create immense financial strain at a time when you should be feeling most secure. The problem is often rooted in unconscious bias. Many employers and younger colleagues hold stereotypes about older workers, that they are resistant to change, not tech-savvy or less productive. These assumptions are not only false but also incredibly harmful. Companies often fail to provide adequate training and support for their experienced employees, creating a self-fulfilling prophecy. When you're not given the opportunity to learn a new system, it's easy for others to then claim you're not adaptable. It's a vicious cycle, but it's one you can break. Understanding these dynamics is the first step in dismantling them. It's time to stop being a victim of circumstance and start being the warrior in your own life. You have the power to fight back against ageism, and it begins with arming yourself with knowledge and a proactive strategy. First and foremost, know your rights. The Age Discrimination in Employment Act, or ADEA, protects individuals who are 40 years of age or older from employment discrimination based on age. Familiarize yourself with what constitutes discrimination, and don't be afraid to document incidents and seek legal counsel if you believe your rights have been violated. This isn't about being confrontational, it's about standing up for yourself with the law as your shield. Next, you must become your own best advocate. Your experience is not a liability, it is your greatest asset. Don't let anyone make you feel otherwise. When you're in a performance review or a job interview, don't just list your past titles. Instead, showcase your accomplishments with concrete examples. Talk about the complex problems you've solved, the teams you've led, and the money you've saved or made for your previous employers. Frame your decades of experience as a source of wisdom, stability, and proven problem-solving ability. You bring a level of judgment and perspective that simply cannot be replicated by someone with less time in the trenches. Staying relevant is non-negotiable in this fight. The world is changing, and you must change with it. Embrace continuous learning as a core part of your professional identity. Sign up for online courses to master new software, attend industry webinars to stay on top of current trends, or earn a new certification in your field. This not only equips you with valuable skills, but also demonstrates to employers that you are engaged, adaptable, and committed to growth. This proactive approach directly shatters the stereotype that older workers are stuck in their ways. Your willingness to learn is a powerful weapon against bias. Finally, you must expand and leverage your network. The old saying, "It's not what you know, it's who you know," holds more truth than ever. Reconnect with former colleagues, engage with industry leaders on professional networking sites like LinkedIn, and attend industry events. Your network is a rich resource for job leads, professional advice, and moral support. Don't be shy about asking for introductions or informational interviews. Every conversation is an opportunity to demonstrate your value and learn about new possibilities. A strong network acts as your intelligence unit, keeping you informed and connected to the opportunities you deserve. While fighting ageism in your current role is important, sometimes the greatest victory comes from recognizing when it's time to forge a new path. If your current environment is toxic and unsupportive, don't be afraid to explore other options. Your vast skill set may be transferable to a new industry, a consulting role, or even starting your own business. Many men over 50 have found immense satisfaction and success by becoming entrepreneurs, leveraging their lifetime of expertise to build something of their own. This isn't admitting defeat, it's a strategic maneuver to a battlefield where your strengths are celebrated, not questioned. Employers also have a critical role to play in this battle. A truly strong company is like a Spartan army. It draws strength from every single one of its warriors regardless of their age. Smart organizations must actively cultivate a culture that values experience and combats age-based stereotypes. This includes implementing fair hiring practices, providing ongoing training and development opportunities for all employees, and establishing mentorship programs where older workers can share their knowledge with younger generations. When companies foster an inclusive environment, they benefit from higher morale, lower turnover, and the invaluable wisdom that their seasoned employees bring. Your mindset is your ultimate armor. You must reject the narrative that your best years are behind you. That is a lie. Your wisdom, resilience, and emotional intelligence are at their peak. You've weathered economic downturns, technological revolutions, and personal challenges. You have a perspective that is forged in the fires of real-world experience. Embrace this. See yourself not as someone who is aging out, but as a leader who is leveling up. Your value has compounded over time. Own it, believe it, and project that confidence in everything you do. This internal strength is what will carry you through any external challenge you may face. In the end, conquering the challenges of this life chapter is about embracing your inner Spartan. A Spartan warrior was defined by discipline, resilience, and unwavering strength in the face of adversity. You are no different. You have the experience to be strategic, the wisdom to lead, and the strength to endure. Stand tall, know your worth, and never let anyone's ignorance or prejudice define your future. This is not the end of your story. This is the moment you harness a lifetime of strength to claim the respect, success, and fulfillment you have rightfully earned. The battle is real, but a Spartan is always ready. Thank you for watching. If you found value in embracing your inner Spartan, don't forget to subscribe to Spartan Reboot 50 for more inspiration, strategies, and community. Join us and conquer life's challenges together.